Okay, so I'm going to talk to you today about the protractor postulate. And I'm going to go ahead and read it to you here. There are two parts to it. It says, you can make a protractor on any line using points and rays where one side represents 0 degrees and the other 180 degrees. The second part of this postulate says that the angle between any rays is the absolute value of the difference of the angles they individually create. Now, if that sounds familiar, it's because you're remembering the ruler postulate, which is basically the same idea. It's just a different tool. So the ruler and protractor postulate are essentially the same. Let me just kind of show you what I mean here. The scariest part of the protractor postulate is this part right here, I think. So here's what I get from this. Let's say I have two rays on the protractor that I've created here. This angle is 40 degrees from 0 up to here. And from here to here, this creates a 25-degree angle. So all it says is that I can find the measure of the angle in between by subtracting the two. So 40 degrees minus 25 degrees, and then finding the absolute value. So 40 minus 25 is 15 degrees. The absolute value of that is 15 degrees. So that means that this angle right here is 15 degrees. That's it. Okay, now the angle addition postulate. This is similar to the segment addition postulate, except this one has two different scenarios. Let's go ahead and go through them. So the first part says, if B, and of course they mean point B, lies in the interior of angle, I'm going to leave a space for that, AOC, then, and I'm going to go ahead and write something in there. All right, let's see what this says. Okay, let me fix this here. Angle, there we go. So if B, here's B, lies in the interior of this angle, then what can I say? Well, angle 1 plus angle 2 equals angle A, the measure of angle AOC. What they're saying here is this degree measure plus this degree measure equals the degree measure of the entire angle, AOC. That's just the parts added together to equal the whole. That's it. The second part of the angle addition postulate, it looks a little tricky, but here's your diagram. The thing that I'd hope you notice is that these two angles are sitting on a straight angle. And that's really precisely what this part of the postulate deals with, is the straight angle. So if, I'm going to leave a space for my angle here. Oh, maybe I can. If angle AMC is a straight angle and B, point B, is any point not on line AC, then dot dot dot. Let's see what happens here. Let's fix my stuff here. So here's angle. If angle AMC is a straight angle and B is not a point on line AC, then angle 3 plus angle 4 equals 180 degrees. Now what you might have thought is angle 3 plus angle 4 equals angle AMC, but we know from our previous definitions that angle AMC equals 180 degrees. So it's exactly this. The only difference is we know this answer is 180 degrees. And that's it. That's the angle addition postulate.